Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, may I know your name?
Yes, I'm Filipinas Roblesa Palsi.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm married. I had no baby. At the same time, I have my knowledge how to cook, how to clean the house.
Yeah. This is the first time you applied abroad, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Why
sir.
you only select to Hong Kong, not Taiwan, not Singapore, not Middle East?
No, sir.
Why Hong Kong?
Because I see the country in TV, but I'm willing to go there to have a job there.
Okay. Any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How long?
It's a long time, sir.
The first employer, how long?
Since 1996 to 2001, sir.
Wow, 5 years, right?
Yes, almost 5 years.
How many members in the house?
2.
Two. Two a day?
2 only, sir.
Two elderly. Too old?
The husband and wife, sir.
Yes. What is the many duties in the house?
Sir?
Your duties in the house.
Yes.
What is your duties?
Cooking, housekeeping, and then any kind of job, sir.
Okay, you know how to cook, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen,
Yes, sir.
suddenly your mom call your name and want you to go outside.
Yes, sir.
What you will do?
I try to ask them why I go to outside, and then if she tell me, I buy some food. Okay, I try to ask them also where I go to, where is the market, and then I wait to give her money, and then I go to market and buy the food. What kind of food she wants.
Yes, sir. Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
If my employer is angry with me,
Yeah.
I say what's wrong, and then I give up, apologize.
Yeah.
And I said sorry for what I did wrong.
Okay. How many holidays you want per month?
Yes, sir.
How many holidays, day off?
Here in the Philippines, sir.
You want in Hong Kong?
It depends of my employer, sir.
Right, okay. How can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
Honest and loyalty, sir.
Yes.
That's my that I give to my employer.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Yes, sir.
Any message?
Yes, sir.
Any message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer, he is try to help me, and then I will give all the best I can do in your family and in your home. And I'm work hardly and honest and loyalty. I give you everything.
That's all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.